All right, everybody, wanted to show you guys this truck that we built for a customer in Nacogdoches, Texas. We did some accessories on it. Dylan, appreciate the business. We got 3 of these trucks. We've got this amber, we've got a teal, and we've got a gray. So I will try to show you all of them. So make sure you please subscribe to the channel. Check out what we got coming and our current inventory. I'll put a link in the description to our inventory and our Facebook page at MHC Kenworth Longview. That way you can follow us, see the trucks we've got on the ground, ready to go. This truck is a 2026 model W900. 605 horsepower under the hood, 18-speed transmission. Big suspension underneath it, half fenders. Really nice build. 13-inch drop visor, window chops, diamond interior. Super nice truck. This truck we ordered, I think back in maybe October, November, and we are delivering it today in February. We've had them since January, putting some accessories on. 18-inch Valley Chrome bumper, boxed in. We've got a RoadWorks 13.5-inch drop visor, RoadWorks window chops. We've got truck's lights up top, changed them out from amber to clear. On the inside, like I said, we're fully loaded on the inside. Got diamond jet black interior, Kenworth seats. Got 7-way lumbar, heated. 18-speed transmission, full gauge package, analog gauge package, which I know Peterbilt doesn't have anymore, so we will be the only one with it. There's that drop visor from the inside. You guys can see the view. So really good build. This is our 5th one, or this is our 3rd one at Nacogdoches. Got 5 total. So like I said, if you're interested in building the truck with me, my phone number is 682-558-4302. We have had an influx of orders coming in the last about 2 weeks or so. It's really picked up, so lead times are starting to get out there a little bit, but we're still in that 90-day window from time to order till you receive and drive. Thanks for watching. My name is Austin Gilbert with Piney Woods Kenworth, salesman over at MHC Kenworth in Longview, Texas. So come see me or give me a call. Let's build you a truck. Thank you.